Latest update, papalapit na si Pepito. Patuloy nang kumikilos papalapit sa landmass ng Central Luzon ang sentro ng Super Typhoon Pepito, Mani, na inaasahang tuluyan ng magla-landfall sa bahagi ng Southern Aurora mamayang hapon. Siguraduhin pong handa at nasa maayos na po kayong lugar dahil inaasahang sa hapon hanggang gabi mananalasa ang bagyo sa landmass ng Luzon, partikular sa mga lugar na direktang dadaanan ng sentro ng bagyo. Samantala napanatili ng super bagyong Pepito ang napakalakas na hangin na 185 km per hour at bagsong 255 km per hour matapos nitong hinambalos ang Catanduanes kagabi. Signal number 5, Silangang Polillo Islands, Patnanungan, Humalig, Calaguas Island. Signal number 4, Siruma, Camarines Sur, rest of Camarines Norte, rest of Polillo Islands, central and southern portion of Aurora, Eastern Nueva Ecija, Southeastern Nueva Vizcaya, Nagtipunan, Quirino. Signal number 3, northern portion of Camarines Sur, Western Catanduanes, Eastern Quezon Province, Eastern Laguna, Eastern and Central Rizal, rest of Aurora, Eastern and Central Bulacan, Northeastern Pampanga, rest of Nueva Ecija, Tarlac, Northern Zambales, rest of Nueva Vizcaya, the rest of Quirino, Southern Isabela, the Central and Southern Ilocos Sur, Lon Ayon, Pangasinan, Benguet, Ifugao, Western Mountain Province and Southern Abra. Signal number 2, Albay, Northern Marinduque, rest of Quezon, rest of Laguna, rest of Rizal, Cavite, Northern Batangas, Metro Manila, Bataan, rest of Pampanga, rest of Bulacan, rest of Zambales, Southwestern Cagayan, rest of Isabela, rest of Abra, Southern Apayao, Kalinga, rest of Mountain Province, the rest of Ilocos Sur, Southern Ilocos Norte. Signal number 1, Northern Masbate, Incalticao at Barias, rest of Marinduque, Northern Oriental Mindoro, Northern Romblon, Northern Occidental Mindoro, Lubang Island, rest of Batangas, rest of Cagayan, rest of Apayao and rest of Ilocos Norte. Tatama na si Pepito mamaya sa Aurora at tatawirin ang buong Central Northern Luzon mamayang hapon hanggang gabi. Maghanda po tayo, manatiling nakatutok sa weather balita para sa bago pang update. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.